If you drink water with lemon and cucumber every night before going to bed, here's what will happen to your body. You'll promote weight loss. Lemons and cucumbers are known for their ability to boost metabolism and burn unhealthy fats. They can also help reduce your appetite, detoxify your whole body. Tell me in comment from which city you are watching this video. This powerful detox drink helps eliminate toxins accumulated in your body, supporting the proper functioning of your organ and blood circulation. You'll have better skin. Cucumbers are good for your skin as they contain a high water content and a number of vitamins and minerals. Aid digestion. This drink has digestive properties that promote healthy digestion. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, reduce bloating, and relieve stomach aches will reduce water retention. Lemons and cucumbers are renowned for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They can help reduce water retention and regulate blood pressure. Comment cucumber and follow us for more tips and share this video to your friends.